Hey, beautiful people, it's your fact finder here again. We're welcoming you back to the continuation of our 10 most beautiful and amazing bird series. Did you see our last episode where we showcased the flamingo bird on the episode number 7? Hereabouts now, we're here to showcase the 8th in the series of 10 most beautiful and amazing birds series. Just in case this is your first time of connecting with us on this channel, we urge you to please subscribe and click the notification icon so you get notified whenever we post new content. But if you're a returning subscriber, we thank you for staying tuned to us and continue joining us in this our journey of showcasing beautiful, dazzling and amazing birds in the world. So hereabout now, sit back and relax as we showcase the 8th episode of our 10 most beautiful and amazing bird series as we present the Indian roller bird. You heard me right, the Indian roller bird. See you on the other side. Bye-bye.